My name is Ervin Abdic. I'm 22 years old. I work at Fabrication in Victor, New York, and I am a welder and fabricator there. So before Arc and Flame, my life was very much involved in the restaurant industry. I was spending most of my time at Moe's doing a lot of dish work. So what interested me about welding was the fact that you'll always have work. My first actual juggle was the fact that I had, at the time, not had a place to live, having an illegal car with no registration, no license plates, living at my friend's house and dealing with the fact that my best friend at the time had passed away from a car accident. Arc and Flame, since it was a local school, I wanted to look into that first, but right when I walked in, it was very, very comforting. Everybody was polite. I didn't feel like I was just gonna be another number. Felt like I was actually part of the family right as I walked in. My most valuable experience, I would say, is the fact of how much everything was emphasized in terms of learning, making sure that every day you learn something new, making sure that every day you can consistently reinforce those skills that you either learned from class the previous day or whether it was something on homework that you had to review. It was always about making sure you can improve yourself every day as a better fabricator, as a better welder, and as a better person. As soon as you walk in, they set you up, they make sure you have your hood, your safety glasses, that's a big thing. They make sure you have all your protective gear. Then they start stepping you into your grinders, then your welders, and et cetera, et cetera. I work at a company called Fabrication in Victor, New York. We do anything from custom fabrication of straight pipes, exhaust systems. We'll walk in some days. We'll be working on a $2.5 million car that only the world has seen 200 of. I don't even consider it work anymore, to be honest with everybody. My biggest thing is this is even more a passion now. I have fun. Coming in, I don't know what I'm gonna walk into, who's gonna bring their car in, whether it's a small build for something as small as a Toyota or something huge for a truck. I can literally watch them step by step make their choices and decisions. And I can actually stand there and help them understand on which decision would be better for their specific application. Seeing them drive their dream build or their dream car, all their ideas come to life, and seeing them drive out of the shop, and then the final handshake with that smile on their face, that's exactly what Fabrication is all about. First day I came into class, I knew nobody at all, not even the person next to me, and then within a week, everybody had a group chat and we were all literally considering each other family. The instructors, they definitely go above and beyond. There's not more care shown anywhere else that I believe. Truly, they will stay after with you, they'll come in early, they'll help work with you whether or not you have personal issues or anything like that. They'll make sure that you are not feeling alone throughout the entire process, that you're accounted for, that you're actually somebody here and not just another diploma going out the door. You become a family and everybody becomes unified under the same thing and making sure that we can all pull through this together successfully.